How to add WhatsApp music status. Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Talks. If you want to add music to your WhatsApp status without any complicated editing, I will be showing how to do that today. First, open your WhatsApp app and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now at the bottom, you can see an option to add updates. Just tap on it. There, you'll see the option to add My Status at the very top. Tap on it and select any picture that you want to add in your status. When you select the picture, at the top you can see an option to add music. Tap on it and select the music or search for the music that you would want to add. Tap on the music and hit the arrow button. And this way the music will be added to your photo. Now you can just select the number of people that you want to show the status to and just hit the send button at the very bottom right, and that's it. That will be uploaded to your status. You can just check who viewed your status from the top, and that's it. That is how you add the status to your WhatsApp. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more similar tech content.